So it's okay. So guys, relax. Relax and just be with yourself. Just relax. Close your eyes and just relax. Watch your breath. Watch. So in the last exercise, we saw the different places we put our energies, the different desires. We want something and we want the other thing. So we healed that inner battle in ourselves. Rather than diverting our energies in one way or the other way, we acknowledged both of them inside us. So in this meditation, we will see the actual source of desires is within us. So we are raised to focus on outside, on the object of desire. That's how we have been raised for so long. I want this, I want that. If I have this, I'll be happy. If I have him, if I have her, I'll be happy. What I am inviting you is, Tantra wants to tell you, invite you to find that energy, to feel that energy that is activated by our desires. What is activated, what goes on in our bodies, and bring our awareness. Bring our awareness back from the object of desire to more on the energy flow. And when we can see that where actually is this desire, where is the source of this desire within my body, the more present I become to the energy flow, to the sensation, the less our desires take our energy from us. We have been into addictions and we feel so powerless. They take away our energy, they take away our resources. So now we are going to reclaim our power. We are going to reclaim our energies. And we will see that there is so innocence behind these desires. It is just an energy. We will discover that really it's just life, it's just energy moving through us, moving in our bodies behind those desires. We're gonna do this meditation. So I invite you, pick one thing from your list, and I would invite you to pick some kind of desire for intimacy from that list. A desire for a partner, desire for some sexual fantasy, your sexual desire. Just pick one of those things. I invite you to pick one of your sexual desires from that list. You can work with other later on. So just pick. Just sit yourself, just be comfortable. and relax. Watch your breath as it goes in, as it comes out. Just keep your spine straight. Don't be too rigid, but still straight. If you're sitting on a chair, you can place your feet on the ground. Don't cross them. And with the next breath, you can just relieve the tension from your body with a sigh. You can make this sound a couple of times so that you are relaxed in your body. You can try sighing. Well, it will help you relieve some of the tension. Feel that sinking in your body. Feel that relaxation. Notice where you're sitting on your chair. Keep breathing deeply into your belly. And then begin to focus on the object of your desire. Take some time with this. It might be a person, it might be something you want to do something, you want to receive something, you want to experience something. Just take some time to fully enter. I'm actually inviting you to go into fantasy now. Let your imagination carry you. Be so vivid, so clear. Visualize that sexual fantasy in your mind. Take a few moments, keep breathing. Picture all the details. Picture, visualize it. In details as clearly as possible. Once it feels really alive and you could really experience that, you're going to take one step back. I'm going to invite you to begin to do what is called tracking, which is start to notice the sensations that are being stirred up in your body. From that fantasy, come back to the sensations in your body. Where are these sensations? And you can speak them. I will share with you. So what I am feeling right now is I'm feeling a tingling sensations in the center of my chest. It is rising up to my throat. And now I'm noticing a tingling sensations in my arms, in my hand, and it feels like a buzzing sensations all around my fingertips and in the palms of my hand. You continue your way. You find out where are the sensations in my body. Take a moment to be with these sensations. If you begin to lose these sensations, go back to your fantasy. to your imagination, and let it be strong again. Keep your breath deep. So you are really feeling what is this desire awakening in you, within your body. Desire अपनी जगह है, लेकिन मेरे शरीर में क्या हो रहा है, मेरे इस काया में what is happening inside my body? What are the sensations which are happening in my body? Take a few moments with this. Keep breathing. Now, we're going to take one more step. I am going to invite you to see if you can feel where this is sourced in your body. What is the root of these sensations? Where does these sensations exist in your body? Where is it actually coming from? Just take a moment. See if you can find one place. It seems to be the root or the source. And once you have found it, place your hands on that part of your body. It can be anywhere. Wherever you're feeling it, hold your hands there and just breathe into that point. It can be anywhere. Bring your hands to that part of your body, the source of these desires, the source where are these sensations coming from. Notice how it feels in this place, in this part of the body. And you can completely release your fantasy now, the object of your desire, and just rest in this source point, in the root of this. And as you are observing this sensation, notice the innocence of it. It is just alive. It is just aliveness in your body, a piece of life that's moving through you. It's so beautiful. It's so innocent. It's just life. I invite you to smile at it. Just around the corners of your mouth, just smile at this innocence, this energy. Just from the corner of your lips, just have a small smile at this space. Now take a deep breath. And whenever you are ready, you can open your eyes and bring your hands together in the Namaste position, thanking the existence for this mystery, thanking the existence for this innocence, thanking the existence for life. Whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes and just bow down to this beautiful, beautiful existence, the mystery of life. Yes, Ekta ji. Wow, I felt the same. Great. Great, guys. Great. Amazing, guys. How was it? It was an awesome experience. Thanks. Overwhelmed. Very beautiful. It is just life, guys. It is just that beautiful. I'm still smiling. Yes, Afrizi. It's light. Wow, start loving you even more. Yes. For me, it was crying. Yeah, absolutely. I was with my girlfriend. Yeah. It is a way to reclaim your power, to discover that this energy flow and it is just energy flow and life at the root of every desire you have. It is not out there. It is not something you in other person or something you're seeking, something you want. You want a cigarette or an alcohol. You want a fantasy. You want to build this. It is just a life force. Not only that, you come back to find the source of it. Where is it coming from? And you will notice that somehow when you reach that source point, the sense of fulfillment is there. There's a sense of completion. How many of you could feel that? It is so complete. It's the desire doesn't have that control on me. I can take care of it. How many of you felt that crying and sleeping in the end? Yeah, I felt that. So, yeah. Great. Great, guys. Yeah, quite nice. And meditating and resting at that point can also transform your relationship with the things that you desire in your life. And it is not about destroying your desires, guys. We are not destroying our desires, but we are coming back to the center. We are rediscovering our inner sense and making the whole shift around us, our perception from something that we want, that we don't have, into who we are, the source of life itself. It is not about, we're not destroying our desire, we're becoming aware of the energy. Okay, it is not out there, it is the life. That's the end of the session. I am open for your queries, your questions. My wife has cooked some kheer for me, and I'm enjoying it. If you have any query, if you are okay and complete, you can be in your own space and enjoy the wonderful journey forward. If you want to talk to, you can share your number. Sujana will get back to. I'm still crying. It was a beautiful session. Really great. So if you want to, if you're up for the thing, yes, to complete. So Sujana ji, आप अपना नंबर दे दीजिए. Sujana ji, आप अपना नंबर दे दीजिए. People can get in touch with you if they want to. So guys, note down this number. Does crying of emotion means it requires healing? No, it means nothing. Why do you have to go into meaning? Right now, you felt like crying. You cried. Ekta ji, हम तंत्रा में कोई मीनिंग क्रिएट करते ही नहीं है, हम सिर्फ उनको देखते हैं, यार ये है, अब ये है, अब ये है. मेडिटेशन और तंत्रा में कोई मीनिंग क्रिएट नहीं करता. वी जस्ट लुक एट थिंग्स एज दे आर. Thanks for beautiful session, Love Guru. I am not. Thank you. I love you. I got that. Sai Manoharji, it has already started. This is the first session you have. So you will receive your. Tomorrow we are starting. Every Monday we start that. Tomorrow we are starting with the BVPS and the Tantra program. The program will start tomorrow, and. Anyone wants to share? So I would like to invite Munira ji. Munira ji, if you can share your experience. She has gone through, at least she joined here last week. If you want to share, if you don't want to share, I'm okay with that, because so Sandhya ji, before talking about the fees, how much are you ready to put, how much are you ready to, even if I ask for, I'm going to give you, it's much more than what you will give me. Okay, you have been with me for so long. The value which I give you is much more than what you. It's equally, I would say equal, but that's what I do, and I want to spread this around the world. So I want your contribution in spreading it, in reaching out to more people and making their lives full of love, joy, and happiness. I always hear people saying that they crying during sessions. Now I have never cried. It makes me feel normal, or I would say just stabilized. Is it wrong, or crying is so important? No, Sonaji, crying is a good. Actually, maybe I never used to cry before that. I thought I am a man, I am a strong person. I would have, and then I went through all the pain, and I started doing meditation, and I started for 2 years. While doing gibberish, on Tuesday we'll be doing for the BVPS members, we'll be doing a gibberish session. So Sonaji, it's okay if you cry. If it doesn't feel like crying, it doesn't feel like crying. It's okay. But crying is not bad. Okay, that's what I want to share with you. Sandaji, you can talk to Sujana ji. She will give you the structure of this. You can talk to Sujana ji on this number. Send her a WhatsApp number, details. Send her a WhatsApp, and Ekta ji, I wouldn't say that emotionally strong. Why do we want to become stronger? We don't have to become stronger because we are weak. Enjoy it. Bye, tribe. Thanks. Ekta ji, the whole purpose of meditation is not about stronger or peaceful or achieving or doing this and that, being able to do this. The whole practice is about acknowledging who you are. If sometimes you will be weak, and meditation will you just have to acknowledge that being weak is beautiful. It's nothing wrong being weak. There's nothing wrong in crying. There's nothing wrong in being vulnerable. There's nothing wrong with crying. So meditation will just make you aware of what else. You're welcome. Sabrina ji, thank you so much. And I love you guys. That's who I am. That's what I want to create. Manisha, thank you. Welcome. You're welcome, Sandhya ji. Yeah. Yeah. Kirti ji, मैं ये जो आप बोल रहे हो ना, ये it takes work to do on yourself, and तंत्रा जो वर्कशॉप क्रिएट की है वो इसी के लिए, रिलेशनशिप्स के ऊपर ही है. It creates that energy, how to become aware, to work on yourself and create that energy. Beautiful relationship experiences. Viddu ji, welcome. साई मनोहर जी, वेलकम टू तंत्रा. आप तो ऑलरेडी दोपहर को आए थे. उसके अंदर हम हर रोज एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल. सो मेन, yes, Sandhya ji, it's the end of the session. And will be tomorrow, Kirti ji. Tomorrow it will start. You will be invited. You will be invited to the group. Yuvika will call you. She'll share a message with you, and you will be added in the group, and you will be given the access to the whole curriculum. And enjoy your. And Tuesday evening we are meeting for the BVPS session. Today, Tuesday evening, we will have a questionnaire session and a very beautiful meditation that is going to absolutely rock you. People who are new, they are going to have amazing. Munira ji was gone in her own space.
Hello.
She's back. Hey, Munira ji. How has been? I want you to listen to Munira ji. He has gone through almost half the curriculum of the Fulfiller Frequency. And I want you, Munira ji, can you share your experience? How was it?
Yeah, it's a very amazing experience. Yeah, I'm supposed. Actually, I'm sorry, I actually joined late in this session today. Yeah. I have gone through that one meditation. I had explained to you as well on the call, that masculine and feminine. So it was really a great experience while I was going through the meditation of masculine. Because because in my childhood, from childhood, I have never seen the love of the masculine energy. Actually, from the childhood, I never had a love of my father or the brother or any person. And in my past life, whatever I had gone through, also in my marriage, also and all. So it was very different experience where I have I can't explain.
Yeah,
it's a very different